Hello, and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Taking the time to watch this video, we have the absolute pleasure to be bringing to market this beautiful 2015 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic. Now I must add that this particular vehicle has only ever had one owner from new, only ever been driven by the same individual, and only ever been to Land Rover for its maintenance. It's backed up with full Land Rover service history, most recently serviced on the 30th of March 2023. Now we have a lot of specification to discuss, as back in 2015 this vehicle had 5,985 pounds of factory fitted optional extras, of which 2,000 pounds was this glorious sliding panoramic sunroof. And while we're here, the Alston Headlining, Cirrus, Ivory and Ebony that we have in the interior, another 1,000 pounds. We'd also have the standard specifications such as the reversing camera, heated front seats, satellite navigation, Land Rover just welcoming us there. And this particular model has only covered just over 97,000 miles. Now, if there are multiple drivers, we are also blessed with the 3-stage electric memory driver and passenger seat. This will therefore remember your driving position exactly, keeping you comfortable on the journey ahead. As we step into the rear of the vehicle, again, the leather is in extremely good condition, and the rear two passengers are also blessed with the heated seats. This particular model is finished in the Firenze Red Metallic Paint work. I personally think we've got a fantastic contrast with the likes of the badging, grille, door mirror casings, contrast black roof and privacy glass. And just screams Land Rover through and through. We have the 21-inch sparkle silver alloy wheels. And we also notice the red brake calipers behind there. They were another £330 from brand new, as well as other nice features inside the car, like the 4-zone climate control at £900, and the configurable interior mood lighting. Now, I've taken the liberty to print out the service history, and it just brings a smile to my face, right from its first PDI, pre-delivery inspection on the 17th of March 15, right the way through, and again most recently just the 30th of March 2023. You could not ask for more. One owner, full service history, magnificent specification, superb condition. So for any further information, please contact our award-winning sales team. We're all on hand to answer any further questions you may have, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you for watching.